For this tutorial, I'm going to be going over some of the basics of Teamspeak, such as how to connect to a server, how to bookmark that server, some of the settings and options that you would want to know, such as push-to-talk, hotkeys, and preset messages, as well as your contacts. So, in order to connect to a server, you're going to want to first open up your Teamspeak, get an IP from someone's server that you want to connect to. Once you have that IP and you have your Teamspeak open, you're going to click the Connections button in the top upper left-hand corner, and then click Connect. That will bring up a box that asks for a server address, your nickname, and the server password. I have the server address already in there. I have a nickname chosen. There is no password for the server. If there is, you enter in the password, and then you click Connect. Once you click Connect again, it'll bring you into the server, where you can go to any channel that you want as long as it's not password protected and you have the permissions from the server to go there. So I'm going to go to my cave, and if you want to be able to get to this server quickly without going through those last steps, and you just want to click bookmarks and click it and go to the server, you're going to have to add it to your bookmarks. To do that, you want to click the bookmarks tab and then click add to bookmarks. You're going to name the server. I'm going to name it Teamspeak Tutorial Server. Put in the address, your nickname. If the server has a password, you add that in there, and then you click apply. But if you want to connect to the specific channel that you're in, you can also click this button here and then enter in the server your channel password, and then click apply. Then you would click OK. To see this work, you just click this, and there it is down there, Teamspeak Tutorial Server. You would click that, and it will exit you out of whatever server you're in and connect you to this server. There you go. So the next thing up is settings, and the first thing you want to do is click settings, go down to options, and then click capture. This is your microphone sensitivity. When you click begin test, you can set the sensitivity of your microphone. If your microphone tends to bleed over everyone else's, you might want to consider setting this higher, because it will not let as much background noise through. Other than that, you customize your microphone however much you want, or you can set it to push to talk, which you just push a hotkey, and whenever you have it pushed, it sends sound over the system. After that, we have the hotkeys, which are whenever you press a key down or release a key that you have a task assigned to, it will complete that task without the need of pulling up Teamspeak and physically pushing the button. So I have two hotkeys. One is the one key down, which toggles my microphone mute. The other is the Q key, which makes my Teamspeak go into push-to-talk mode. If we want to add a hotkey, you just click the add button, select whether you want the hotkey to be toggled on the key being pressed down or the key being released. You assign a key by clicking this and pressing whatever key you want. I'm going to press the 2 key on my keyboard, and then you assign a task. I'm going to select speaker mute, and then you click OK, and there you go. You have speaker mute. After that, you have your away messages, which are basically messages telling people that you are away eating dinner, or you will be back in a few minutes, or whatever you want. Or it even just tells people that you are away. If you want to create an away status that you can activate any time, you just click add. You set a preset name for it. I'm going to name it tutorial, and the message that everyone else can see. And then you just click apply. OK. And now when you go down to set your away status, you click tutorial. There you have it. You're set as away. If you want to come back online, you just click online there, and you're back. The last thing that I wanted to show you guys was your contacts list. Whenever you right-click someone, and either you can add them to blocked or friends. If you add them to friends, they show up under Tools and Contacts, and you can edit your contacts in any way you want, switch them to blocked or neutral. If they're neutral, they will just be like you haven't done anything to them. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope this was helpful.